Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can link your domain to your Blogger website using an external DNS. So now let's say for example you have your domain, you bought your domain from somewhere and probably from there you are unable to link your domain to your Blogger site because of there's no provision for you to add those records there directly from that platform. So now I'm going to show you how to use an external DNS to actually go about it. So now without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. So now what we are going to be using to do this is we are going to be making use of Cloudflare. So what I'm going to now do is to just go and copy the address. This is the domain I want to link to my Blogger site. So now this is the Blogger site I want to link this domain to. If I just want to open the, then you come to settings. Under settings, you just scroll down. You're going to see under the publishing, you're going to see custom domain. Just click on custom domain, then you add the domain here. So now when you add the domain here and you click on add, you can see it actually provided this for you. Say you should pick up this. Please set up a top domain label here. Okay, I should add www. Now you can see once I add this, I will just do next. Now you can see it actually provided this info. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead to link this up. Now for me to do this, I'm going to make use of an external DNS to link this up using from my MaticsCloud account. I'm going to be using external DNS to do that. I'm going to be making use of Cloudflare. So I'm going to log into my Cloudflare account. I'm already logged in. So what I'm going to do is to also come down to Cloudflare. I'm going to add the link to the particular website. Yeah, so I'm going to go to site. I'll go to add site. So once I go to add sites, you can see I'll now add the domain I want to add here. So now I'm going to now click on add. You can see platform. So I'm going to just scroll down and select this free and click on confirm. So once I do that, he's going to load up. Just wait a little for it to load up your DNS record. It's going to search for everything. You can see add DNS record. So from here, what you're going to just do is just to click on quick scan. Just allow it to do his work. So it's going to scan through and gets the DNS record from your own listen. So now it's going to give me listen to link it up. So I'm just waiting for it to load up. Now you can see these are the DNS record it has been able to get for me from. So I'm going to click on continue. So click on continue. So now what I'm going to now do is you can see it provided these two records for me to add. So as in these two name servers for me to go and change. So I'm going to copy the first one and head over to where. So from here you can just come here and click on manage name server. So once you click on manage name server, it's going to load up. So I'm going to just wait for it to load up. So now once it gets here, I'm going to now click on custom name server. Click on custom name server. So what I'm going to now do is to just change this DNS1, then go back, copy the next one and come here and add its DNS2. Just delete this other one. Then when you save it, then you click on change name server. By the time you click on change name server, it's going to update. So you can see my name server has changed. So just ignore the positioning. Yeah, just leave it. Everything will work out so very well. Just once you're done with that, what you are going to be doing, you have to be patient enough. You are going to give it like up to 1 hour for it to propagate. Please, I'm going to just pause the video for now and I will come back to this particular video in an hour time when it has already propagated. You can see, or let me just go ahead and show you something else. So now you can see by the time I'm done with this and I should click on continue, you can see that it's initializing. You can see everything status initializing. You can see it's not yet done with the recent propagation, so my site is not yet, the linking of this is not yet active yet. So you can see pending name server update. You can see it's showing here. I wish it has taken, it has propagated. You are going to see active here. So now you are going to just hold on a little. You can see you just hold on a little and for it to propagate. So let's just give it like an hour time for it to propagate. Then I'm going to now walk you through how you can be able to complete the rest of the linking. Alright guys, this is actually after 30 minutes later, and you can see from where, let me refresh this and say check name server now, and see by the time I do that, wait after a few or let me just refresh this page. Let me reload it. So you can see I just reload my account. So let me just navigate to the website. I just click on the website. You're going to see all the websites you have here. So I'm going to just click on the one we are going to be making use of. So once I click on that, you can see it's already showing active. So the account is currently, and you can see great news, it's now protecting your site. So now from here we can now move to the DNS record. You can see you can come to here or just come here. So let me just come here, click on DNS. So once I click on the DNS, now I'm going to, you can see from here I can be able to add the records I want to add. So let me just go over to Blogger now. So now I'm going to add, you can see say I should add these two C names. So the first one, the name is www. So I'm going to copy it and come here and add a record. So I'm going to now scroll down. I'm going to scroll down. The record I'm adding is a C name. The name should be www and the target should be this. So I'm going to copy it and come over here and paste the targets here. So now one thing you should note, ensure you off this. So just leave it this way. If you leave it on, it's not going to work. So you have to ensure you put this off. So now I'm going to click on save. Okay, by the time once you do that and you get that error, what you're going to just do, I'm going to now come over to, you can see www is actually saying this is existing. There's a this one with www there. So I'm going to just, what I'm going to now do, I'm going to come to this part and edit this one, and the target I'm going to make it to be this, and then turn this off. After doing that, I'm going to click on save. You can see it's saved now. So now I'm going to now scroll up on this other one. I'm going to change it to, the target is this. I'm going to copy it and come over here and paste the target here. Then the other one, the destination is this, the name is this. I'm going to copy and come over here and paste the name here. So the target, the proxy status, I'm going to also still turn it off and click on save. So you can see the two of them has been added. So once I do that, I'm going to just wait a little. I'm going to, you can see, and just click on save changes. You can see it has actually accepted. So you can see my domain has linked. So you can see this is just the easiest way you can go about this thing. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to just do is to sometimes it might take effect immediately, why sometimes it's going to delay a little. It might be showing you, if you try opening the address, it might be showing you 3404 error. So what you're going to just do is just to wait a little bit, like just give it like within 10 to 15 minutes or so. It should propagate it should finish propagating within that period of time. So what I'm going to just do is to, now I've waited a little for about 10 to 15 minutes, and let me just try and reload and see. I should open the site. You can see it's loading, and you can see it's connected. You can see the domain is actually connected. So we're showing you this not secure. What you're going to just do is just to scroll down and ensure that your HTTP redirect is on. Just make sure this is turned on. Once you've done that, everything should be working out fine. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular tutorial. I believe this video must have actually helped you to link your Blogger website to your custom domain to your Blogger site using the help of Cloudflare. So if you're still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video like this. Until next time, bye for now.